Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we'll explore the imperative forms of Hebrew verbs. These forms are crucial for giving instructions, commands, and requests in Hebrew. We will cover both the formal imperative forms and the more commonly used forms in modern Hebrew. Since both of them are used nowadays, it's important to understand and recognize them. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use commands like go, come, and eat in Hebrew. So, without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with a quick explanation of the two forms we'll be discussing. First, we have the formal imperative forms, which is the classic way to give a command. The second form, which is very commonly used nowadays, is the future tense form. Both forms are acceptable and understood in modern Hebrew, so whether you use one or the other, you'll be understood. The Hebrew word for the verb to go is ללכת. ללכת. To say go when referring to a singular male, say לך. לך. For example, to say go there now, say לך לשם עכשיו. לך, go, singular male, לשם, to there, עכשיו, now. That was the formal imperative form. But many times you will hear the word תלך instead, which means you will go when referring to a singular male. תלך. For example, to say go to the store later, you would say תלך לחנות מאוחר יותר. תלך, you will go, לחנות, to the store, מאוחר יותר, later. So it means you will go to the store later, but we actually mean go to the store later. To say go when referring to a singular female, say לכי. לכי. For example, to say go to sleep early when referring to a singular female, say לכי לישון מוקדם. לכי, go, singular female, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early. And the other commonly used form will be תלכי. תלכי, which means you will go when referring to a singular female. For example, to say go there tomorrow, say תלכי לשם מחר. תלכי, you will go, לשם, to there, מחר, tomorrow. To say go when referring to more than one person, say לכו. לכו. For example, to say go to the library after school, say לכו לספרייה אחרי הלימודים. לכו, go, plural, לספרייה, to the library, אחרי, after, הלימודים, the studies. And the other form will be תלכו. תלכו. For example, to say go help mom, say תלכו לעזור לאמא. תלכו, you will go, לעזור, to help, לאמא, to mom. Next, we have the verb to come, לבוא, לבוא. To say come when referring to a singular male, say בוא, בוא. For example, to say come with me to the store when referring to a singular male, say בוא איתי לחנות. בוא, come, singular male, איתי, with me, לחנות, to the store. And the second form will be תבוא, תבוא, which means you will come when referring to a singular male. For example, to say come quickly before it rains. say תבוא מהר לפני שיתחיל גשם. תבוא, you will come, singular male, מהר, quickly, לפני, before, שיתחיל, that will begin, גשם, rain. To say come when referring to a singular female, say בואי, בואי. For example, to say come watch the movie when referring to a singular female, say בואי לראות את הסרט. בואי, come, singular female, לראות, to see, את הסרט, the movie. And the other form is תבואי, תבואי. For example, to say come to the playground when referring to a singular female, say תבואי לגן המשחקים. תבואי, you will come, singular female, לגן המשחקים, to the playground. To say come when referring to more than one person, say בואו, בואו. For example, to say come play soccer with us, say בואו לשחק איתנו כדורגל. בואו, come, plural, לשחק, to play, איתנו, with us, כדורגל, soccer. And the second form is תבואו, תבואו. For example, to say come eat dinner, say תבואו לאכול ארוחת ערב. תבואו, you will come, plural, לאכול, to eat, ארוחת ערב, dinner. Our last verb for this lesson will be to eat, לאכול, לאכול. To say eat when referring to a singular male, say אכול, אכול. For example, to say eat your pizza when referring to a singular male, say אכול את הפיצה שלך. אכול, eat, singular male, את הפיצה, the pizza, שלך, of yours. And the second form is תאכל, תאכל, which means you will eat when referring to a singular male. For example, to say eat quickly, relate, say תאכל מהר, אנחנו מאחרים. תאכל, you will eat, מהר, quickly, אנחנו, we, מאחרים, are late, plural. To say eat when referring to a singular female, say איכלי, Ich, li. For example, to say eat the cake, say ich li et העוגה. Ich li eat, singular female, et העוגה, the cake. And the second form is תאכלי, תאכלי, which means you will eat when referring to a singular female. For example, to say eat vegetables every day, say תאכלי ירקות כל יום. תאכלי, you will eat, singular female, ירקות, vegetables, כל, every, יום, day. To say eat when referring to more than one person, say איכלו, איכלו. For example, to say eat a healthy breakfast, say איכלו ארוחת בוקר בריאה. איכלו, eat, plural, ארוחת בוקר, breakfast, בריאה, healthy, singular female. And the second form is תאכלו, תאכלו, which means you will eat, plural. For example, to say eat more fruit, plural, say תאכלו יותר פירות. תאכלו, you will eat, plural, יותר, more, פירות, fruits. So, as you can see, Hebrew has both the formal imperative and the common future tense forms to give commands. Both forms are widely used in everyday conversation. Understanding both allows you to communicate clearly in different contexts, whether formal or casual. Make sure to practice these forms, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.